Okay, so I have something I want to talk about, and I want to talk about it because appreciation has gone up so much over the last 5 to 7 years. I truly believe that there are homeowners out there that have a dollar amount of equity that they are not aware of. So stick around. Let's talk about equity and what you can do with it if you are looking to move. All right, homeowners, I'm talking to you. So many homeowners looking to sell feel like they're stuck between a rock and a hard place right now. Today's mortgage rates are definitely higher than most homeowners' mortgage rates right now. And that's making it harder to want to sell and make a move. Maybe you're in that same boat. Hey there, I'm Christina Sparks, realtor with Coldwell Banker, owner, House of Sparks.
What if I told you
there was a way to offset the higher borrowing costs that we are experiencing right now? Because there is. And the money you need probably already exists in your current home in the form of equity. What's equity? Check out this video on a full explanation of equity. Think of equity as a simple math equation. Freddie Mac explains, your home's equity is the difference between how much your home is worth and how much you owe. Your equity grows as you pay down your loan over time and as home prices climb. And thanks to the rapid home price appreciation we saw in recent years, you probably have a whole lot more of it than you realize. The latest from the census and add-on shows more than 2 out of 3 homeowners have completely paid off their mortgages, shown in the green, or have at least 50% equity, shown in the blue. That means the majority of homeowners have a game-changing amount of equity right now. And what's hanging them up? High interest rates.
Why would I sell my house at 3.5% interest and buy a new one at 7%? It doesn't make sense. I get it.
But after you sell your house, that equity can help you move without worrying as much about today's interest rates. As Danielle Hale, chief economist for Realtor.com says, the consideration today's homeowners should review is what their home equity picture looks like. With the typical home listing price up 40% from just 5 years ago, many home sellers are sitting on a healthy equity cushion. This means they are likely to walk away from a home sale with proceeds that they can use to offset the amount of borrowing that they need for their next home purchase. To give you some examples, here are a few ways you can use equity to buy into your next home. First, be an all-cash buyer. If you've been living in your current home for a long time, you might have enough equity to just buy your next home without having to get a loan. If that's the case, you won't need to borrow any money, and you don't need to worry about interest rates. Option 2, make a larger down payment. Your equity could also be used towards your down payment. It might even be enough to let you put a larger amount down so you won't have to borrow as much at today's rates. Next option, buy down your rate. You can use some of your equity to buy down your interest rate. While you're paying more upfront, your monthly payment can be lowered using this option. The first step, determine how much equity you have in your home. Want to find out how much equity you have? To do that, you'll need 2 things. First, the current balance on your mortgage. You should be able to find this on your statement or call your lender. And you also need the current value of your home. To understand the current market value of your house, you can pay for an appraisal, which is about $500, or you can contact a local realtor who will be able to present to you a professional equity assessment report. Once you've connected with a trusted local agent and run the numbers, you're one step closer to making a move that you may not have thought was realistic, all thanks to equity. If you want to find out how much equity you have and talk more about how it can make your next move possible, connect with me. I'm happy to help any way that I can. Have a great day.